subway cars are set to be tested this summer and potentially rolled out later this year.
These trains represent quite the upgrade. With more on the features, here's PIX11's Greg Mocker live in Sunset Park, Brooklyn, where the trains are being kept. Greg.
A New York City subway ride always has a bit of history. Some of the cars actually date back are half a century old. These new cars would replace that, and finally, the test trains are arriving. A lot's riding on these cars. How about more frequent service? We're always waiting for the trains. This one is waiting for some riders. It's a different kind of anticipation, covered by a tarp, parked on some tracks in Brooklyn. You recognize the shape underneath. It's the beginning of a brand new test train for the next generation subway car.
A smoother ride, more trains per hour.
Jason Anthony commutes every day and works with the Congress of Essential Workers. He follows MTA meetings as well. He can point out the features of the R211 model, as it's officially known. Upgraded technology will allow it to run on the upgraded signal system. That's another big project that's restarting.
Doors will be wider. They will have similar features that we see in the newer models, and also the seats will flip up.
Better accessibility inside, and some will have the open gangway design. No doors between cars, creating more space.
There's a process, they have to be safety tested, but seeing the wheels touch the tracks for the first time, it's really exciting.
The new car process and the order was delayed a year by the pandemic. People shared pictures and video as the first new trains arrived via truck in Brooklyn. They're being made in Nebraska and Yonkers. The next few months will be for testing. You might catch a glimpse of the new train later this year.
They look futuristic, and in so many ways they are. So as people come back into the system, as people come back into the city, and as the cars start to be delivered, we're going to see that there's this great confluence of change.
More test cars will arrive. That process will probably last through this year. So this is the beginning of this process. We may not see the order start to be fulfilled until next fall, 2023, and then another year for the full delivery. So a ride is a little ways off, but it's nice to see them rolling in Brooklyn. Greg Mocker, PIX11 News.
Hey, it's progress, Greg. We'll take it. All right, thank you.